Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to delete a second Instagram account. So to delete that second Instagram account of yours, first log into that specific account. So I'm going to go to my Instagram account. This is my second account. And then you have to navigate to your profile and open the settings menu on the top right. From here, go to account center. Now from here, go to personal details. Now you will find account ownership and control. Head over there. And here you will find deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Select your Instagram account you wish to delete. Now select delete account. This says when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. So if you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So as we want to delete our account, we will just continue with this and give them a reason. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Now here, before you delete, you can download your information. You can also transfer a copy of your information, or you can deactivate too. So just go for continue. And now you have to enter your Instagram account's password and then continue with it, and your Instagram account will be deleted. So yeah, this is how easily you can delete your second Instagram account. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. We will reach you out and hope to see you in the next video.